Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your DAKboard is showing old appointments or missing newly added events, you're probably dealing with a synchronization issue. Calendar update problems on the DAKboard can occur because of internet interruptions, account authorization issues, delayed syncing, or temporary software glitches. When this happens, your schedules may no longer reflect the latest changes, which can be frustrating for the entire household. Fortunately, most update problems can be resolved with a few simple checks. In this video, I'll guide you through several troubleshooting steps that may help your DAKboard refresh and display current calendar events again. Try these. Step 1. Verify that the calendar linked to the DAKboard contains the latest events. Step 2. Make sure the DAKboard is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Refresh or reauthorize the calendar account associated with the DAK board. Step 4. Check for available software updates on the DAKboard and install them if necessary. Step 5. Restart the DAK board to clear temporary synchronization issues. Step 6. Confirm that the dartboard now displays newly added calendar events correctly.